Unlocking the secrets of internship duration. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an important phrase that you might encounter in the professional world, especially if you're stepping into the workforce or considering career development opportunities. The phrase is internship duration. Understanding this concept is key to navigating job opportunities and planning your career path. So, let's get started and explore what internship duration really means and why it matters to you. Internship duration refers to the length of time that an internship lasts. An internship, as many of you might already know, is a period of work experience offered by an organization for a limited period of time. Now, when we talk about the duration of an internship, we're focusing on how long this temporary position will last. This can vary widely depending on the company, the industry, and the specific goals of the internship program. Internship durations can be as short as a few weeks, commonly seen in short-term projects or summer internships, to as long as 12 months or even more for certain professional fields. Understanding the duration of an internship is crucial for planning your schedule, managing your expectations, and aligning the internship with your educational or career goals. Knowing the duration of an internship can help you in several ways. Career planning. It allows you to understand how the internship fits into your academic calendar or career plan. Expectation management. You'll have a clear idea of the commitment required and what you can realistically achieve during the internship period. Personal development. By knowing the timeline, you can set personal goals to maximize learning and networking opportunities. Logistical planning, especially important for internships that require relocation. Knowing the duration helps in arranging accommodation and other logistics. 1. Read the internship posting carefully. Most organizations will specify the duration in the internship advertisement. 2. Ask during the interview. If the duration isn't mentioned, don't hesitate to ask the interviewer for details. 3. Review your internship agreement. If you're selected, the duration will be clearly mentioned in your internship agreement or contract. Understanding the concept of internship duration is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their career through practical work experience. It helps in planning, setting expectations, and making the most out of the learning opportunity. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of internship duration and how you can navigate it in your professional journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more useful tips and insights in future videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.